Alright, dolls, so I have a treat for you guys today. It's going to be a very different review because it's going to be actually on some clip-ins, some human hair clip-ins that Samsbeauty sent to me. They sent me out the Instant Fab Human Hair Clip-In Weave Natural 3C Coily Curl in an 18-inch. I have in the color Natural. It's going to come packaged as such. Now it says Ali Hairs on it, so I'm assuming they're partnered with the AliExpress vendor for these clip-ins. So let me just take out the packaging. So it's become very nicely packaged in this box. So the first thing I noticed was this little envelope in the box. So let me open this envelope and then we'll get into the clip-ins. So what you'll get with your clip-ins is going to be, let's see what's in here. Okay, so what I am seeing in here in this envelope, you're gonna get a, let's see, a double-sided edge brush and comb. Okay. You're gonna get a rat tail comb. Oh, look at that. And this comb is sturdy, y'all. Like, this comb is sturdy. Y'all remember the combs, how they used to make them back in the day? And, you know, you was messing with your hair and your mama popped you one good time with the comb. That's that kind of comb. What else is in here? Let's see. A couple more clip-ins. And then it also came with the ORS Olive Oil Edge Control Gel Stick. Okay. Alrighty. And I will leave the purchase links down below, of course, in the description box. You know, so if you guys want to try out some clip-ins, I definitely recommend them because they're very easy to style. All you really honestly don't have to have any leave out, but you know, for those that want to, you can. But I'm gonna show you guys how to, you know, style your clip-ins without any leave out. So let me take these out the packaging because it's going to come packaged like this. So I'm just trying to get them out the packaging because they're in there really, really good. Okay, so you're going to get 9 pieces. And here's what they look like. They are very, very tightly coiled. So I am going to wash them to see how they wash since these are human hair. I actually got 2 bundles, so to speak. So I am going to wash them. Yeah, it has a smell to it, so I'm definitely going to wash them. But you get 9 pieces. You're going to get, hold on, let me show you. So basically, you're going to get a couple of shorter pieces, and then you're going to get, let's see, 2 of the longer pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of the short, 4 of the medium pieces, and then 1 of the, well, actually 2 of the shorter pieces. So 2 long, 2 short, and 4 medium. Yeah. But they're nice and bouncy. I do like the texture of it. We're gonna see how it washes because I want to see what the texture actually looks like once this hair is washed. But the hair looks like it's, you know, nice and bouncy. So we're going to see. So I'm going to go ahead and wash these. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to get the styling. Alright, dolls? Alright, dolls. So I have washed the clip-ins. And this is what the water looks like afterwards. So I'm pretty sure that this is the residual dye from the clip-ins being processed. As I was washing the clip-ins, I did get some shedding during the process of it. But not too much shedding. Also, I use the Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Co-Wash. This is great whether you're natural or you have permed hair. This co-wash is the bomb. Girls, let me show you these clip-ins now that they have been co-washed. The curls have sprung back to life. They're no longer stiff and crunchy like they were feeling straight out the packaging. So I highly recommend you definitely do a co-wash on your clip-ins before you apply them to your head. Y'all, I love the curls on these clip-ins. They are so pretty. So I'm going to show you a close-up of what the bundles look like now. Enjoy the rest of the review, dolls. Alright, dolls, before I go, I just want to show you guys my cute little pineapple I did with my clip-in wig. And do y'all see how cute that is? Now, I did show you guys how to do this when I was styling the Showstopper half wig, so definitely refer back to that. And you can definitely do the same thing when you get your clip-ins. But look how cute that is, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this in the comments down below. But anyway, finish watching the review and we'll discuss later, okay? Alright, y'all, so I have my clip-ins on, okay? And yes, I said on because guess what? They're not actually attached to my head as you guys saw. I have them attached to a wig net. So, let me give you the specs on this. So, this is the Instant Fab Human Hair Clip-In, and I have it in the 3C Coily Curl, and I have it in the color Natural, and I have it in an 18-inch. So basically, this is going to run you maybe about $60 per bundle. So what you're gonna get per box, because they come very nicely packaged, as you guys saw. So you're gonna get a total of 9 pieces per bundle, and within those 9 pieces, you are going to get a 9-inch weft, 2 7-inch wefts, 4 5-inch wefts, and 2 3-inch wefts. So that's your breakdown of what your wefts are going to come in with each bundle. So Sam's actually sent me 2 bundles because I knew I wanted my clip-ins to be full, even because I know eventually I will actually blend in my own hair with these clip-ins, but not right now. But eventually I will do so. But with the 2 bundles, I have a very, very good full, sort of half wig, so to speak. And that's what I do like. I do like it. I love the length. What I would say about these clip-ins, they're not heavy at all by any means. They're very, very lightweight, so they're not weighing my hair down. You're not going to get the wig sweats because, one, they're clip-ins, so you can take them on and off as you choose. Clip-ins more so are going to be up to your customization. You can add them to add more volume to your own natural hair, or if you desire a more fuller like ponytail or upside down pineapple, you can do that as well. Clip-ins are very, very versatile. It depends on how you style them, if you have experience with them. Now, I don't have that much experience with the clip-ins in the sense of styling them, which is why I went for this route, because I honestly did not feel like adding my own little touches to it as far as blending my own hair and things like that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Y'all know I'm lazy. This was the most reasonable way to install these clip-ins because y'all, I feel like taking out my cornrow base because I'm still trying to allow my hair to grow, and with me and to allow my growth for my natural hair, low manipulation is it for me. If I mess with my hair too much, my hair is not going to grow. But if I leave it alone and I allow it to do its own thing, my hair will grow. So yes, so this is the most low manipulation way that I can wear clip-ins, okay? The only, like I said, the only thing you are seeing is my edges, and that's it. I ain't got nothing else, sis. I ain't got nothing else for you. But yeah, this is really, really cute. Good for the summer. You're not being weighed down by a wig or a half wig. You can take this on and off with this particular method. So yeah, why not? Okay, and it's very, very cute. I love the curls on the clip-ins. They're very, very natural looking. They're not stiff at all. They have a lot of bouncing body once you wash them, because when you do get them out the pack initially, they are very stiff and you can tell they're stiff. But once you wash them and things like that, they're good to go. So let me know what you think about this style on me. Would you consider trying clip-ins? Have you ever purchased clip-ins? Have you ever used clip-ins? Let me know down in the comments down below. Of course, I will leave all product links in the description box as well. Follow me on social media. I'm Aya All Day on Facebook and Instagram. And I am going to show you my little outfit because I want you guys to see what I'm actually wearing. So let me just move this chair. So this is my cute little dress. So that's why I went with the headband, because I'm looking very, very vacation ready right now. Okay, so Yeah, give these clip-ins a try. Okay, they are very, very gorgeous, very pretty. Of course, if you guys want to know more about them, I will leave, you know, like I said, the product link in the description box. Yes, these are so pretty. I am in love with them. Okay, so I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Let me stop rambling on. Comment down below. We'll discuss. Bye, dolls.